Okay, so let's put everything together now with knowing the locations and how to determine the number of protons, neutrons, electrons, or subatomic particles. Let's put them onto the actual Bohr's model of the atomic structure and where they're supposed to be. If we remember, the protons and neutrons are supposed to be in the middle, in our nucleus, and the electrons are in the electron cloud. So let's put that together now with actually using and drawing the one for a specific element. Let's use boron. Boron has an atomic number of 5, and it has an atomic mass number of 11. And knowing that, we can now calculate the fact that we have 5 electrons, we have 5 protons, and we have 6 neutrons. And so by plugging these into where they're supposed to be located in the atom, it looks where we have the protons and the neutrons in the middle. So we have 6 neutrons and 5 protons in our nucleus. And the way we calculate, when we locate the electrons in the electron cloud, is the first energy level can hold 2 electrons. The second energy level can hold 8 electrons. And the third energy level can hold 8 electrons. And so for our discussion, we're just going to be using these 3 energy levels. There are other energy levels, but we're not going to discuss those today. So in the first energy level, we can put 2. So let's put 2 electrons. We're going to put 1 electron right here and 1 electron right here. Since we had 5 and we just used 2, that leaves us 3 more. So we're going to put those 3 out here in this second energy level. And that gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons for boron. Now, let's use one that actually has more than that and goes to the third energy level. And so if we talk about one, let's use magnesium. If we look at magnesium, magnesium has an atomic number of 12 and a mass number of 24. And by looking at those, we can tell right off the bat that we're going to have 12 electrons, we're going to have 12 protons, and then subtracting 12 from 24, we get 12 neutrons. And so we're going to put these in the specific place that they're supposed to go, with 12 neutrons in the nucleus, 12 protons in the nucleus. And now let's locate our 12 electrons. Well, we have 2 right here on the first energy level, and then we can put 8 on the next energy level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It doesn't really matter where they go as long as they're there on the second energy level. So that's 8 out here and 2 on the inside. That leaves 10. But we have 12, so we still need 2 more. Those 2 more are going to go on the outer energy level right here, and that gives us 12. Counting them up, 12 electrons, 12 neutrons, and 12 protons.